Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, October 11th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, if we are along the coast, it is wet and raw out there with showers rotating in from the Atlantic, along with some drizzle, keeping temperatures generally in the lower to mid-60s with a northeasterly wind anywhere from around 10 to as high as 20 miles per hour. As you move further inland, though, the winds are more from the north and northwest, and basically what we could expect is temperatures right now are in the mid to upper 50s over the interior and upper 50s to lower 60s in the Delaware River Valley with scattered to broken cloud cover. Not much in the way of showers, and that's pretty much going to be the theme for today as well. If you're looking for rainfall, I don't know why, but if you are, you're probably going to want to head towards the coast. If you're looking for drier conditions, definitely towards the interior. And we could thank this wind pattern right here. Now, you have a stationary front, and you have these waves of low pressure moving along it. And it's going to keep this persistent easterly wind to northeasterly wind in place along the coast. Now, that's going to lead to cloudy skies, drizzle, scattered showers, and also coastal flooding. Coastal flooding is a concern, and there are coastal flood warnings along the coast, especially along the Jersey Shore and the south side of Long Island. You could expect to see them around the Connecticut shore, but not as much as what we're experiencing along the Jersey Shore, as the winds are driving the ocean right into the Jersey Shore and right into the south side of Long Island. Now, the good news is that all this is going to be giving way, and by the time we get to about the end of this week, it'll feel more summer-like for a very, very short period of time, but we're going to pay for it later on. So on our radar, you can see this little trough here hanging around here, and here's our stationary front. And you can pretty much put little low pressure systems all over to this stationary front. Meanwhile, you have this wave of showers just kind of rotating in, and basically what you have is a lot of low-level moisture being lifted by this trough, and that's how you get these pesky showers. And that really shows up really nicely here on the visible satellite picture. As the sun starts to rise, you start to see here at the lower levels moisture rotating in. At the mid levels, the clouds are moving from west to east. So you can see the difference here in what's happening with all this moisture being thrown up into the coastal plain and pushed up against the Appalachian Mountains. You get some of these higher cloud tops here. And so this is how you get some of these pesky showers. And yeah, you could still get an isolated shower back here towards the interior because of that northeasterly wind sending that moisture in what we call orographic lifting. So we'll have to keep an eye on that as well. But there is some good news. You see this low pressure system back here? This will be lifting up towards the Great Lakes. And as it does so, it's going to take all this warm air down here towards the Gulf Coast and send it right up towards our neck of the woods, sending us back up into the 70s and maybe even a few 80s in the Delaware River Valley by the end of this week. But we're going to be paying for it, unfortunately, by the time we get to this weekend. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for overcast cloud cover, especially along the coast. More breaks as you head towards the interior with some isolated showers and drizzle, especially along the coast. Again, watch out for that coastal flooding. Temperatures range from the lower to mid-70s for highs. For tonight into tomorrow morning, again, that low pressure system remains off the coast and remains a bit of a pest, with a threat for some isolated showers, but we'll see more breaks in the cloud cover even along the coast. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid-50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid-70s. On Wednesday, this is when we start to see a change. The winds start to back towards the northwest. We get more scattered cloud cover. Still can't rule out an isolated shower, but most locations will see a lot more sun on Wednesday. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s over the interior and along the immediate coast, upper 50s to lower 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the interior and along the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. Now on Thursday and Friday, we get a nice southwesterly wind, and your frontal structures are all going to remain off to your west. I can't rule out an isolated shower for eastern Pennsylvania, let's say around the Poconos, but I think for the most part, it will remain dry, and it will be much warmer. We're talking about low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. Okay, not all that impressive. However, high temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Those mid 80s, if we get enough mixing of the atmosphere where we can really push and maximize the mid-level temperatures. Then on Saturday, we get a strong cold front approaching. Now, Saturday morning shouldn't be too bad. We're watching the frontal boundary very carefully. But I think Saturday afternoon and evening is going to feature showers and thunderstorms marching their way through, and that's going to continue on into Sunday morning. Temperatures on Saturday will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast and over the interior, upper 70s to mid 80s over the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, the cold front moves through with showers, a few thunderstorms in the morning hours. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the interior and upper 50s to mid 60s along the coast as that cold front moves through. But in the afternoon and evening, skies start to clear. It's going to be a bit breezy with high temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, mid 60s along the coast. And then on Monday, high pressures in complete control with clear skies. Still a bit breezy in the morning hours though. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 30s to mid 40s over the interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast for low temperatures. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s over the interior and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. So we get warmed up, but then we get knocked right back down. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy these forecasts. I truly appreciate it. And as always, stay safe out there.